we've got this Pokemon page. It looks a bit dull at the moment, black and white, default font, everything. So let's get into some styles, shall we? Back into the folder. So this is my Pokemon folder. It's only got this Pokemon.html file in it. I am going to add a new file. Best way to do this is say new text document, and this is going to be a style sheet, and I'm choosing to call mine styles.css. Do I want to change it? Yes, I do. And then if I double click it, it opens up in VS Code. So I've got this and this. And I think I can just split right. Yep. So I've got them open side by side now. You don't have to do that. It just makes life easier. So this style sheet specifies colors, fonts, everything like that. Let's have a look at that, how that works. So I'm going to start by styling the entire body. I'm going to give it a background color. So I say body of the page. So that's going to apply to the body, everything. And then I have to put a curly bracket, normally called a brace. And by convention, we hit enter and we start typing everything here. So I'm going to type background color. Always use the autocomplete because they spell color the American way, for instance, and they do the hyphen exactly like this. You're going to make errors unless you use the autocomplete. Background color, and let's go red. Okay, Control S, save that, and I'm going to refresh, and it does nothing because the Pokemon page does not yet know that the style sheet exists. So we're going to do this in the head over here. That's the other one of the other main things that goes into the head. So what we have to do is we have to say link. The relationship of the link is that it is a style sheet. Style sheet, style sheet. Okay. And we have to link directly to it. And because it's in the folder that we're currently in, we can just say styles.css. Okay. So that, again, this link is always exactly the same, pretty much, unless you renamed the file to be something different. So when you make a new page, you typically just copy and paste this from what you know to be a valid page that you already have. So now, this page, now in theory, knows about this style sheet, styles.css. So if I go Control S here, and I go back and refresh, boom, red. Okay, that's how style sheets work. Let's do another style while we're here, just for the fun of it. You can style any element. So I'm going to do I'm going to make this page look awful. I'm going to specify that the unordered list. Okay. And I'm going to specify a background color again because I know how to do that. Might as well do that. Background color, and let's go blue this time. Control S, go back to here, refresh, and so every unordered list, every bullet point list now has a background color of blue. So yeah, we're going to do lots of styles, fonts, sizes, the weight of the font, and padding and things like that. It's all going to happen in the style sheet. We just need to learn the extra things we can type here apart from just background color.